This is Ron, one of our senior technicians. Today he's getting a 2020 Mustang GT500 ready for delivery, including installing the track package and getting the car race ready. One of our customers here purchased this vehicle. Just came off the truck. In order to get it ready for delivery, he has to replace the struts, the strut tops, mounts. He installed the spoiler in the front of the vehicle. Pure performance vehicle. He's in the process of installing the strut tower. And we will get this vehicle off to its new home today. Nice vehicle.